Hello YouTube family. Today we are back with another DIY project. So I am just showing you everything that I need and what I used to do this little quarantine project I was doing. So I had these earrings forever and a day and they were looking a little raunchy, rusty, and old. So I decided let's spruce it up and give it a new look. So real quick, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Lorena. Everyone calls me Nena. So I'm gonna just leave this here, and everything is basically self-explanatory. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will get back to you and hopefully answer your question for you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are all safe, and I hope you guys are all doing well and taking care of your health, and hopefully taking this quarantine as serious as can be. All right, you all have a great one, and please enjoy the video, and please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.